Because it's like that, and that's the way it is.
And there are hard times, and that's the way it is.
It's like that. I like it.
Solution for the immigration problem, regulations for the immigrants so that they could have more accessibility to U.S. citizenship, to lower the fees that come with the process of applying for U.S. citizenship.
Solution. All states should allow same-sex marriage, so to fix the problem, allow marriage, but the couple should also have to pay taxes. From a 12th grader. School. Too closed-minded. High school. Too restrictive. Not real-world status. School sucks. Solution. Make high school more like college. If you F around, you'll fall behind. End of story. Let the kids who care get ahead. Be more successful like they should be. Prepare our people for college who have the potential to actually go.
I recently just met my new neighbors and I didn't know that I guess they're a lesbian couple and
You want me to go back, swim across the ocean in a truck or a tire, jump over a fence, move back to Africa, land of my mother, the poor and the AIDS, take me back to land where my father's father was a slave. Let me enlighten you in the pulp culture that you praise, the rap, the dance, the clothes my way, lighten me up or blacken me out. The origins of my brother, my sister, which you are, makes my heart sad and I weep for you. Your ignorance amuses me, so I pray for you. I educate you, debate you, but I'll never tell you to go back or betray you.
Like bigger consequences to better ourselves.
Well, we wouldn't need consequences if people themselves would make the decisions.
That's all on the individual.
Why should the teacher be the only one expected to set a good example for everyone? Shouldn't we as people set a good example for other members of society? Because if we let only one person do the job and we don't try to make the change and do it ourselves, then why the hell are we even like that?
The overarching goal should be that we're respectful toward each other. And if we stay at the base root of being respectful, I think that would solve a lot of problems.
Greed is the fuel of evil. Greed is the fuel of evil. The war in Iraq is not a war at all. The war in Iraq is not a war at all. It's just a game. It's just a game. Corporations that make weapons and all oil companies benefit from them. The men in the white collars.
These people are tomorrow's terrorists. More ground troops in Afghanistan, and we shouldn't rely on air raids as much.
My solution on the war on drugs, solution, solar energy, abortion, solution.
My solution is just like alcohol and just like cigarettes, there should be an age limit on technology.
So I think that a solution would be giving more tax cuts to these big fuel companies, but we as Americans need to make a change our minds, come up with better solutions in these desperate times.
Knowledge, not bombs. There goes some on a peace sign, flag, George Bush, some on white guy, putting another white guy,
Think about it. If you're in a bad financial situation and then you get pregnant, you're gonna make that person also have. You're gonna make that person.
There's always options. There's always options.
Don't we all have the right to life?
What if they have
solution? Is I think you guys need some youth need to be a little more proactive and be a little more vocal with some of their solutions, because a lot of your solutions are good and it's sometimes really good and sometimes profound. Just apply them. And that's what we're doing here, like a community think tank. This is building blocks.
The idea is that you take this stuff with you. Your solutions need to be heard.